I'm Gati and welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, wishing you all a very happy new year. Let's talk about the year 2020. I think 2020 was really a strange year, the roller coaster year. I think 99% of the things were unexpected. It was a pandemic year. Wait. Apart from pandemic, what else was there? Suddenly we realize that there is a master chef inside us. Suddenly we realize that there is a world out of our mobile phones. Suddenly we realize that we have a very loving family and we are missing our school friends. All of a sudden we come to know how important our mental and physical health is. We experienced the impact of Ayurveda, we observed an unexpected rise in digitalization, we understood the importance of saving money. Suddenly we realized that yes, we can live without junk food. We understood celebration is not only going out and doing parties. During this pandemic, we enjoyed every small celebration with our family by making delicious food for our loving ones at home. Our childhood creativity came out again and we recalled those beautiful moments by living them again. Everyone started focusing on themselves, weight gain, weight loss and six-pack abs and so on. It was a year full of surprises, some are pleasant and some are unpleasant. The worst part was some of the people lost their jobs. Education got impacted, especially for children, as it was really a tough job to make them study at home. Most of the public events got cancelled due to digitalization. Cybercrime augmented dramatically. We missed the festival celebration, especially I missed my favorite festival, Navratri. I'm damn crazy about this festival. It was like a pause in our life to think back on what we have and treasure it. So basically, what are the things which the year 2020 taught us? Number 1, the biggest thing which I learned is that life is the biggest blessing. I learned to value it. Death can approach from anywhere and put a full stop to this glorious chapter. We need to enjoy this gift before we lose it. Number 2, life adjusts automatically to the situation. For example, before we were not habituated to wearing masks, and now it is a part of our life. Now I am washing my hands and sanitizing now more than ever. Number 3, it taught me the difference between need and want. We want the entire world, but do we really need it? No. We just run behind the desires, ignoring the small happiness in life. Ultimately, we end up achieving nothing. I have learned to live with the things I need. Number 4, during this pandemic, we got a chance to spend quality time with family. This is the thing which we always wanted to do, but somehow our work responsibilities and financial needs didn't allow us to do so. I think this is one of the best things that happened during the lockdown. Number 5, loving myself. This year taught me that the most important thing is self-love and self-care. It is the most undervalued thing, yet the most important. Unless we love ourselves, everything else will go in vain. Thus, the most important thing this year taught me is that we should learn to be kinder to ourselves and never compromise our happiness and peace for futile things. Number 6, it taught me to appreciate every person who plays a role in my life, whether it be a cook, a maid or a driver. We take them for granted. Without them, life is really tough. Number 7, you don't need to be productive all the time. It's okay to take time for yourself and be in a relaxed mood, because taking time for yourself is not being selfish or lazy. Number 8, our knowledge is our most valuable asset. Invest in your knowledge is the best investment you can make because your whole future depends on it. Number 9, this year made us more inclined towards the digital world, and that makes us smarter. More people found out so many earning options through digitalization. Number 10, we have always heard this, old is gold, and the year 2020 proved it. For treating coronavirus, Ayurveda worked like a blessing in disguise. Now we have more belief in Ayurvedic treatment. Number 11, we learned the importance of workout and exercise in our life. how that helps us to keep ourselves healthy and fit. Number 12, the power of meditation. Meditation is a really powerful tool, and this year taught me the need to meditate every day. It made me realize that however busy I am, I need to stop and meditate. It is like food to our soul. It is absolutely needed. Meditation helps us to overcome a mental and emotional crisis, something we all face. Number 13, people in the medical field are the real heroes. While the rest of us were conducting a Zoom meeting in our pajamas, doctors, nurses were diving headfirst into the front lines of the battle against COVID. Number 14, we came to know that the work from home option can be a more productive option. According to the survey, the productivity of the work is much higher at home. Number 15, life is unpredictable. Let us learn to be satisfied and grateful for all that we have. We do not know when we will fall into the deep dark trench called death. Before that, we need to be happy and live life to the fullest. Let us thank God for giving us a chance to survive this pandemic where thousands have lost their lives. We are lucky to survive this disease. Probably there is a purpose for our survival. Let us accomplish it and live this world with a smile of achieving our goal. We only have the present moment, so enjoy it fully because the past is only a memory and the future is just a wish. I have written a very nice blog on COVID-19 pandemic positive side. I have added the link in the description below. I would suggest read that blog at least once. I bet it is worth reading. At last, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified of my upcoming videos. I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.